Four steps of rebuilding your self-trust. Number one, start off small. Start small. It's cool. Don't worry about it. Number two, align with your identity, not the identity of others. And three, track and celebrate all of your wins and your successes. So, where you could start from all of this is number one, remove the guilt. You're not lazy. You're not lazy. Two, when you hire you to lead your life, and be honest and you ask yourself that question. Once you do that, then you could go into the build towards that. One exercise you also can do that has helped me the most is not even just a higher one, is you close down your eyes and you vision yourself a table. Your younger self is at one end. If you're able to do so, if it's too traumatic, please refrain yourself from doing that. And your future self is on the other end. You're in the middle. Now, what you could do is you could ask your younger self, what is it that you need? What can I do for you in this lifetime right now? What can I do for you here? And then you ask your future self, what do I need to do in the present moment to get to you to where you are? Your subconscious always tells you everything you need to know. We just have to listen to it. We just have to listen to it. Many times you're asking God for X, Y, and Z. God's giving it to you, but you're not listening. It's being revealed to you, but you're not paying attention. You're not listening. The whole point of sometimes our promises being broken is self trust and not paying attention, right? Again, you're not lazy. That's not the problem. Sometimes we think we are. Oh, I'm too lazy. I haven't done this. I haven't done no, 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 no. You've broken self-trust. And when you break it down into broken self-trust, it also starts with your foundation. What does your foundation look like? If there's cracks in it, we all have cracks. Don't feel bad about that. But what does it look like? What's the thing that is you're standing on? What is the root that keeps you going? What is the thing that you constantly know that you could turn back to whenever something doesn't really go the way you want it to go? That's where it all starts. That's where it all starts. That's the gem of all gems, our foundation. And we lose it sometimes as we become adults.